take me.
From a bustling city of tall buildings and crowded streets, our thoughts stray beyond the unending rush, into the untamed, strangers to the wilderness. Together, we roam with equanimity.
Look behind you. Loch Lagan right over there. Such a peaceful place. We're on this steady incline now, around 300 to 400 meters of incline. It's rather quiet on this trail because obviously you have to go really high up to this little lock-in that we're headed off to. That's a lovely bench. Look at the view from there. I'm gonna sit on there when we hike out. We just have to take every steps really slow because we still haven't really recovered from the last camp out. Such a sunny day today. Not too windy. Perfect day for a camp out. This could be a really nice pillow. It's so soft, look at this. Or really good carpet. Wow. Oh, there's a bench over there. Unfortunately, it's only for one. Play the music. We're gonna run in a circle and sit on it when the music is over. So we are gonna wrap around this trail here and head right in between the hills, and we will see the lock-in the end. Isn't it wonderful here? We don't get this weather often, so it's a rarity. It's time to take a sip of water. We're halfway there, pretty close to where we want to go. Back to it. We still have 2 kilometers to go. Yeah, the helicopter is here to take me to the lock-in. Hopefully nothing is happening because he's heading to the hills. So the last 400 meters. Right next to her, so we're up here scouting for her. We tried to look for a spot over there, but then we couldn't, so we can only pitch our tents right behind the bench because it's relatively flat. Remember last time we broke the poles, so we replaced it with another tent pole. We're just so worried about this not being able to withstand the strong wind for today. Ta-ta! Home for tonight. It should hold. Don't be worried. This thing is also broken. So basically, every tool that we have, all broken. And this is the joy of being in nature because it isn't about the gear that you have is leaking. Look at this. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Then let's cook. You know what this is? You know what this is? Pure rice. Made at home. It's getting darker and darker. And we are extremely famished. I can't wait for my first bite. I don't think she can either. In the meantime, we're gonna cut up some garnishing. This has all the beauties. What are you laughing at? This is the mobile kitchen, like I told you. Chili, bean curd, sesame, churn pepper, sauce from 1900s. Extremely windy, and we gotta get this water boiled off. Oh, it's dead because of the gust. The waiting part is always the hardest part of the entire trip, especially when you're up against strong wind. Oh, it's almost ready. Keep on going. Water's done. Then we do it. Walk on. Corrour is almost at the place where I want it to be. Let it sit on the side and we cook the garnishes. This is where the hardest part is because you don't want to burn everything. Some alcohol? Man, but look at the color of it. Look at this. Some soy sauce. It's almost ready. It is ready. You smell it. Wow. Boy. Will you look at that? Okay, I'm gonna eat right now. Look at this. You gotta try this, man. You gotta try this. You gotta try this quick. Let's walk, hey. There's a pump to it. And I like how the citron pepper is actually giving some numbness to my tongue. Oh, we forgot the bench. Why am I sitting on the ground when I have a bench? The perfect bench. Oh. This is life. I'm gonna take in every single moment of it as I eat this beautifully done dish. Oftentimes, whenever I meet some hikers, I share food with them all the time. Whenever possible, of course. Even though it's getting dark, you get to see the contour of the mountains, of the hills. Come join me. We're gonna finish the food and head into the tent. It's just too windy. Still hold it.
It was still pretty windy, and there was only one time when the poles were not actually supporting the tent, but overall it held up pretty well.
Wow, just look at that.
We wanted to climb top of the hill, but I don't think weather allows it. We do have to enjoy the view for a little bit longer because we have earned it.
Gotta grab some water. So because I don't drink, water is my favorite drink of all time. It's part of my journey to drink all the waters that I find in the wild, and this lock-in is no exception. Be really careful because it's slippery. With the water in my system right now, I feel a little bit closer to nature. This is one of those favorite routines that I like to do in the wild. You know, listening to drops of water coming from the water filter. It's just very soothing. When you're on a budget and you still need to wild camp, yeah, things are gonna get broken. Okay, that's done. Time for the road. We got some leftovers from home. And we got some eggs. This is gonna be a perfect combination. We like the eggs scrambled. Smells so good. That's about time. It's in. Before it gets overcooked. It's a perfect combination, like I told you so. For your hard work. Come on. With that done, it's time to head back down. Always brush your teeth. I have so many needs, you know. A lot of things actually in my mattress. You know, there's a special feeling when you actually, you know, dove and dive into your mattress after long days of hike. Can't wait for that. Remember that bench? We're gonna sit there and eat our lunch. Ooh, what a bench. Oh. Rejuvenated. Last kilometer to go. Highland cows, aren't they? There's a lot of them.